Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Lincoln Nautilus key fob. First, gather a small flathead screwdriver, preferably one with a thin blade. Next, find a soft cloth or towel to protect your work surface and the key fob from scratches. Finally, ensure you have good lighting so you can clearly see the small components and avoid any accidental damage during the process. This preparation makes the task much smoother. Now, let's get started. Look at your key fob and locate the small release button, usually on the side or back. Press this button firmly and slide out the emergency key blade. This key is essential for the next step. Once the emergency key is removed, you'll notice a small slot or indentation where the key was housed. This is where we'll begin to gently pry open the fob. With the emergency key removed, take your small flathead screwdriver. Carefully insert the tip into the slot you just located. Apply gentle pressure and slowly twist the screwdriver. You should hear a slight click as the two halves of the key fob begin to separate. Continue this gentle twisting motion along the seam until the case is loose enough to pull apart. Be careful not to force it, as this could damage the internal components. Once the fob is open, you'll see the battery. Note its orientation before carefully removing it. Replace it with a new CR2450 battery, ensuring the positive side faces the same way as the old one. Then, simply align the two halves of the fob and press them firmly together until they click securely into place. Your key fob should now be ready to use. By the way, if you're looking to upgrade your home, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. You can find a link to that and other great deals in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.